How to change currency in Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back. You may follow the steps in order to do so. So first of all, open up Expedia app on your device, and once you open it up, you can directly find this interface once you are logged in. So it is a very easy method if you want to change your currency. So look for the account option, which is usually located in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and once tapped on it, here it will show you your profile. So from the given options, look for the option of settings, security and settings, and tap on it. Now once tapped on settings, here it will show you your different options. From here you may scroll down and look for this app settings available, from which you can take control of your app experience. So right now you can see I don't have this option enabled, but if you have this option enabled right under language, we can easily find an option of currency. All you gotta do is simply tap on that option, and it will let us option to get to change it into any other currency that you prefer. So just go ahead and confirm it by following a very easy step, and your currency should be changed on your Expedia app. So that's it for now. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.